Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Uber Black driver account. Uber Black drivers use the same login process as regular Uber drivers. There isn't a separate app or login specifically for Uber Black drivers, so here's how you can do it. First of all, launch or open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in uber.com in the search box. You will now end up in the official website for uber.com, from where you will need to go ahead and click on the drive option at the top left corner. Now, if you don't have a driver's account, you will need to create one by clicking on Get Started and following through the instructions. If you already have an account, you can click on Already Have an Account Sign In option and then follow through the login steps. Enter your phone number or your email associated with your Uber driver's account, or you can also use one of these options where it says Google or Apple to continue signing in with one of these options instead. After you enter your credential or choose one of the options, you will be prompted to verify your account. Enter the 4 digits code sent to you via email or phone number in the text box and click Next in order to log into your driver's account. Once you're logged in, you might be prompted to select the vehicle you will be using for Uber Black rides. Make sure to use the vehicle or choose the vehicle that meets Uber Black's eligibility requirements regarding year, model, color, and interior. So that is how you will be able to log into your Uber Black driver's account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.